today we're going to be firing it up in Pomona for the Elf on the Shelf Magic Holiday Journey. Let's fire it up.
No further information is known about why the flight failed or how to reach out about the
Testing. Testing. 1, 2, 3.
Elf on the Shelf.
Testing for good tidings and holiday cheer. Testing. Humans? Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Elf-tacular. As a Scout Elf, I can do a whole lot, but I can't make Christmas spirit myself. Only our human friends can do that, which means generating Christmas spirit is up to you. Now, I know the elements of Christmas spirit seem simple enough. You know, faith, hope, and love. But given the state of things, it's clearly much harder than it used to. Mapping adventures, nothing gets my gears going like using my imagination to create. In fact, this whole rescue operation, it was my idea. See, I was with Santa on his test flight, ready to tinker and troubleshoot any malfunction. But these low magic levels were beyond me. And down we went, with just enough cheer left to cushion the landing. After our mishap, I gathered together lots of my Elf on the Shelf Scout Elf friends to join me here at the Fairplex in hopes that you'd come. And we're so garland glad you did.
One really cool part about this whole Elf on the Shelf journey is they tell you what page to be on in the audio, which is the app that you download that plays music that goes along with this whole journey. So right now we're going to be on page 3. Kind of loud.
So, I don't think I've told you this yet, but it's one of my jolly jobs to oversee the levels of Christmas spirit generated on your journey. I'll measure our progress at the spirit escalation stations throughout the event. We're coming up on one now. See it? It's right over there with the big star on top, and it looks a little bit like a gas pump.
Right there.
The brighter the star, the more spirit we have. But
Christmas spirit level's too low.
What?
But you can conjure up some more Christmas spirit. All you gotta do is listen to Tiny, sing, laugh, and share your favorite Christmas memories, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Pull forward, pull forward.
Thank you.
Your headlights are dimmed out as much as possible, please.
Okay, they are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
so there it is, the sleigh's emergency landing site. It's okay, no one was hurt. The first thing we train for with the reindeer is how to take a tumble. Though I don't see any reindeer. Where could they have gone? No Santa either. Maybe he's trying to find all of his magic sleigh bells and the goodies that tumbled out of the sleigh himself. I mean, whew, you should have seen those strong California winds tossing us about. Oh, before I forget, I better warn you now. There's going to be some North Pole strength twinkling and flashing lights up ahead. So, now, I don't want to toot my own tinsel. A Scout Elf is never prideful. That goes against the spirit of Christmas. But old St. Nick did ask little old me to help build this shrinking device. I know, it might seem as crazy as cookies for breakfast, but with Santa's patented safe shrinking technology, you'll be my size in no time.
We're shrinking.
Oh no.
We're shrinking. We're becoming elves. No. We got an elf. How's she doing?
Oh, do we have any letters to Santa?
Oh, no letters for
no.
Santa.
There's plenty more opportunities for magic ahead.
Oh, okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. Enjoy the journey.
Thank you.
Oh, we should have done a letter.
I don't want to toot my own tinsel. Wow! Towering teddy bears and train sets? What do we have here? This looks pretty similar to Santa's toy repair workshop at the North Pole. I see the Scout Elves are busy fixing up all the toys that fell out of Santa's sleigh during our emergency landing. But thankfully, the Scout Elves are working hard. Or is it hardly working? Always a question when our jobs are so much fun, starting to stir in your heart. just like we planned.
Look at the dinosaur. That's so cool.
Oh, that's the magic bell.
The magic bell?
It's a magic bell.
Whoa! Humans! Do you know what's in here?
We're elves. Whoa!
That's the Christmas spirit in there.
Oh, wow.
And an umbrella.
Oh.
That's so cool. That's the magic bell.
That's so
Looking for
cool.
more.
Get more Christmas spirit in there.
Got some very athletic elves over here. Yay! The spirit of Christmas is strong with this one.
Wow. The high jump.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa!
Careful.
Careful, careful.
Honey, close. Out of the way. Oh, other one.
Careful, careful. Whoa! Tippy toe, tippy toes, tippy
Get it.
toes.
Safe.
His leg's stuck. No. Wow.
Is that another spirit escalation station coming up? Let's make more Christmas spirit by thinking about our favorite memories of holidays gone by. What was a favorite toy or present that made your dreams come true? What about the best gift you ever gave?
Drive over one more.
Holidays are about faith. And wise men
Whoa!
gathered around a manger with gifts of gold, frankincense, and
Way to
myrrh.
go. Keep looking for those sleigh bells and head on up to Chapter 8 of your magical journey.
Yay! Thank you.
Bye.
We're mounting this time.
Chapter 8.
Chapter 8.
Chooses to focus on the good. And that's a great place to find the extra Christmas spirit. Do you smell what I smell? We've reached the tastiest place on Earth, south of the North Pole. I guess that's what happens when Santa's sleigh falls from the sky and lets loose a rain of delicacies that only a kid could imagine. We have to remember our Scout Elf school training to not let our stomach be bigger than our eyes. So, we all need to keep our peeps peeled for those sleigh bells. You never know where they might be. But you've probably seen at least one of us sipping on the syrup, showing off on a countertop filled with candy sprinkles, or enjoying a moment of marshmallow madness. We can't help it. We're a silly, sleuthing, sweet-loving Santa squad.
Kissing it.
I want some chocolate. Whoa.
Wow, that was cool. Dang.
Wow. That was cool.
I was saying, the elves have a way of acting where they're just like cute little elves. Like they act like they're really good at acting. I don't know how else to
They're
say
like
it.
a little mischievous, but
Yeah.
they're fun
And they're like so cute.
and all about Christmas.
And they're just like with these little gloves and their little faces.
I'm so delighted by how you're all doing. Wait a minute. I think I see more Christmas lights coming up. It must be the decoration station. Sometimes I forget that Santa takes his test flights with so many presents and pieces of decor on the sleigh. I've heard it's because some countries let Santa and the elves decorate the family's Christmas tree on Christmas Eve, as if it can magically decorate itself. So Santa has to plan for that too. I should probably remind you that in all this decor, sleigh bells could be extra tricky to spy. So don't forget our primary mission. Whoa! Is that the sound of my favorite ballet?
Hold steady. Let's see if some of that sweetness spiked your spirit levels. Woo! Elf-tastic! Your Christmas spirit is rising. Keep it up and we'll have more than enough in no time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow, we're getting more cheer.
There, and then there's
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Hey, you guys, hey! Did you count all the jingle bells?
That's the 13th one.
How many?
13.
Okay, cool. There's more over there, okay?
Okay.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
I thought he was gonna be like, nah, there's only 10. Uh-oh, we're gonna get our spirit station.
Hello. Oh, my heart is dancing. It's wonderful to see you. Let me check your spirit levels to see how your heart is doing.
Ooh.
Oh, fantastic. You're almost there. Keep up the great work.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas! Snowy! Here we got a house.
I feel like you're really getting the hang of this. Don't tell the other cars. I think you're my favorite spirit sparkers of all time. You're sparktacular. Holy icicles and frostbitten noses. Do you see that? Looks like some books may have fallen out of the sleigh too. I love the stories that surround us at Christmas time, don't you? In fact, it's the stories that have been told for thousands of years that bring us all together at this time.
I like elves.
That's where we hibernate until someone takes us home and gives us a name. Did you also know that we are born with a heart already filled with Christmas magic? But giving us a name supercharges that magic so we can fly. Or that there are only a few cures that save us if we're touched by human hands. Christmas magic is very fragile. Isn't it crazy seeing our normally tiny little box set as big as the size of your car? Relation station says Christmas spirit is finally spreading. Aha! There it is! Wait, what's that? It's happening. The spirit escalation station says Christmas spirit is finally spreading. I knew you could do it. You worked together and generated more Christmas spirit than California has seen in a very long time. You've completed the mission. You found the sleigh bells, the goodies that fell out of the sleigh, and generated so much Christmas spirit that Santa can return to the air.
You did it!
Yay!
Thank you for saving Christmas!
Thank you.
Yeah! We saved Christmas!
We saved Christmas!
We saved Christmas!
Where is Santa Claus? I still haven't seen him, have you?
I haven't seen Santa at
Santa's
all.
got to be around here somewhere. What's this? Oh my! I guess you didn't have to see Christmas spirit like we Scout Elves do after all. Instead, all you really have to do is feel it in your heart. And you don't have to be Tiny Tinkerman or tiny like an elf for that. Young and old alike, we need to remember the power of Christmas spirit rests inside all of us all year long. More kind deeds, more warm words. That's what makes the spirit of Christmas grow and grow and grow.
Want me to turn it the volume?